We are now in an age of the fourth industrial revolution, technology. As it transforms major industries, life has become more interconnected, blurring the lines between the personal and professional, with a growing number of sectors and companies becoming operationally mobile. The education industry has also slowly but surely attempted to accommodate the shifting demand trends, bringing with it a unique set of challenges. As COVID-19 changed the world and the education landscape with it, distance education and online learning became proliferated by necessity, raising questions about the differences between them. This video covers the 5 differences between online learning and classroom learning. The first is no human interaction. The most obvious difference someone thinks of when comparing the two is the perceived lack of human interaction. However, this isn't technically true. The correct way to phrase this would be no physical interaction. Classroom learning involves physical interactions with a teacher and peers, while online learning transfers this component to a virtual environment. So, while there is human interaction, it happens online via virtual lectures, virtual discussions, face-to-face video workshops, etc. The second is 24/7 access to learning materials. With online courses, students can always access learning materials such as module contents, assignments, lecture materials, podcasts, and recorded sessions anytime during the course of their studies. For postgraduate courses, module tutors are always there to assist with any questions through emails, messages, and Skype calls. With classroom learning, be it for school or university courses, a student has to visit the physical location to speak with tutors face-to-face during assigned hours. This can be limiting, especially for working professionals. The third is practice while you study. For university courses, online learning students can fit studies around their work schedules and can immediately practice new concepts learned by applying them in their current scope of work. With classroom learning university courses, this is not often the case. Since students have to leave their job and social commitments to complete a degree program, they will only be able to practice the new knowledge once they have rejoined the workforce. The fourth is assessments. The classroom learning method of assessing a student's capabilities is usually through quizzes and exams, most often in a physical setting invigilated by an examiner. COVID-19 has made this method of assessment temporarily redundant. In online learning, assessments are undertaken via assignments, which can be either individual or group-based, providing an opportunity for students to form study groups that support each other and learn from their differing experiences. The last one is agility. Course materials can be accessed from anywhere in the world, regardless of differences in time zones, the location of the student, or their current status. Online learning provides the much needed flexibility to study and finish a degree at each one's own pace. As universities recognize the need of modern workforce for education, learning, and development, online programs were developed with various specializations to cater to professionals from different fields, industries, and experiential backgrounds. It is no longer an absolute requirement to travel to a campus to study the program, as our partner UK universities have a global reach, providing their distance learning courses to various countries worldwide. The online mode of learning also inculcates a sense of discipline among students, as they have to be self-motivated to finish their assignments and degree requirements to graduate on time. With student support always available to online students, they are guaranteed to successfully finish their degree with a little commitment and dedication. At Stafford, we aim to assist students with choosing the right program and help them successfully apply and joining thousands of students all studying the same qualification worldwide. To read a full article, visit our website www.staffordglobal.org. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe.